Hey guys, hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to one more video series in your crypto channel, My Crypto Pal. And like I promised earlier, today we are going to discuss and analyze each chart live with you all. So today will be a live chart analysis. So if you have just started watching this video, I'll suggest you open your trading view, sign into it, and open your each chart as well. So you can copy my drawings, and as I draw, you start drawing with me, or else end of the video you will not understand anything. Watch this video again and again, guys, because I've given a lot of hidden tips and tricks here how to make technical analysis. I will keep this video very basic and very fast so that you guys can benefit out of it. So without any delay, let's start, guys. Okay, so as you can see that today we are going to talk about ETH. The background says it clearly to you. If you remember, if you have not followed me on Twitter, do follow me on Twitter as well, because I post everything there quite frequently. I'm very active on Twitter. You can see that this is the chart which I had posted on Twitter earlier. So I will teach you how to draw such lines and how to make such charts today on ETH, and we'll look at some trade ideas on ETH. And you can also join us on Discord as well. Okay, we have a Discord group where we keep posting about all the altcoin charts, regular updates of Bitcoin as well. You get all the updates of Bitcoin over here, and we people share their profit cards. You can see over here, and we have a general chat where we discuss and gather ideas in the morning. Okay, so do join us on Twitter and Discord, guys. So without further ado, before I start this video, I'll suggest, if you have not watched this ETH merger video that we made, please go and watch this, guys, because this is a detailed analysis of what is going to happen on the merger, and what is the meaning of proof of stake and proof of work. So this is a very detailed video which we had made for everyone. So if you have not seen, go and watch it. Okay, so let's start the ETH chart analysis. Okay, guys, we are on the daily time frame of ETH, as you can see. So from this, you can see that there is one trend line which is coming. So I'll draw that trend line with you. Yeah, just join the trend line like this. And if you look at the macro picture, you see that there is a major resistance somewhere around here. Okay, but you see it is quite far from the price action. So try to move towards the price action. So you see this is the closest resistance we have, which is nearest to the price action. So you can mark that, and then it will come this resistance. Okay, so by doing this, what you're doing is you're making a zone in which your coin can come and trade. Okay, now let's do diagonal trend lines over here. Like you can see, this is the first trend line which we can see happening quite nicely. Let me just improve it, guys, and we'll make this dotted as well. Okay, so this is one of the lines that I see which is coming down and can affect price action going to the future. And this is one more important line that I'm seeing over here, this one. Okay, so this will be the first level of resistance ETH is going to cross, and then the second level of resistance is over here. Okay, now there are various ways of doing it, guys. You can also join this and extend. You can join this and look for supports, but so far I think these two lines are enough. Okay, now let's this is the daily time frame analysis, guys. Other than this, you don't need to focus too much on the daily because we are looking for short-term trade ideas. Now let's move on to the 4 hours time frame and see how did we do. Okay, so you can see that ETH has been bouncing from the zone that we have made, and you can see that ETH has been rejecting from this trend line on top, and the small trend line that we have drawn. You can see that ETH has rejected once here, twice here, thrice here, 4 times, 5 times here. Okay, so this trend line becomes quite significant for you. So just highlight this one, and maybe change the color of this, because this will be a important trend line for you guys. I don't know if this is legible enough or not for you, but let me just use this one. Okay, so now you can see it is currently consolidating around the whole thing. Now on the 4-hour time frame, guys, if I want to draw a parallel channel, this is the parallel channel that I'm eyeing at. Okay, yeah, so I think that it might move around this. So for now, let's just reduce the opacity so that it does not affect our technical analysis. Yeah, we can improve it later. Okay, so you can see that this whole zone for ETH becomes quite important. If ETH comes back to this whole zone over here, then we can expect some movement around here, because there is a lot of liquidity in this zone. Okay, as you can see that there are a lot of wicks down here which needs to be filled. Especially, I think this is the wick where my eye is. But this is too low, guys. But you can see that there is a lot of imbalance wicks around here, okay, which has not been filled properly. And I would want price to at least come back down and test. So let's move on to the 1 hour time frame. Now let's see where we are. Yeah, so you can see that when I zoom into the 1 hour time frame, suddenly it becomes more clear to me. It's just that I need to reduce this little bit, but you get the gist, yeah. So yeah, this is the whole zone. I think ETH might come. And if you go to the 15 minutes time frame and do a little bit parallel channel analysis, then you can see ETH is in this long parallel channel. Let me just delete this in the smaller time frame. This is the parallel channel you want to be keeping an eye on. Okay. And yeah. And if ETH comes down to this parallel channel, this will be the first level of interest, guys. So this one should be the first level of interest. Let me just mark it for you. And if we break this, we should come here. This should be the second level of interest. Okay. Elliot Wave wise, guys, what I see is I see one ABC here. You can see a quick ABC was here. Okay. Let me just zoom this so you can make out quite clearly. One ABC over here. And you can see ETH has made a nice ABC today morning from which we have taken a short on. Okay. I don't, if you follow my videos regularly, guys, this was a clear, this was a very easy trade to take because easy swing failure trade. One higher high above the swing and then it comes down. You entered the swing failure trade. If you don't understand what is swing failure trade, let me just make it a little bit clear for you. So if my price puts in a high here and then corrects and then goes up above that high, then what I'll do is I will mark a line here, which will be my swing failure. And as price comes back, test it again. I will enter a short trade targeting these areas of interest. Okay, so this is what I mean by swing failure. I hope this is clear to you. So we have entered this trade, guys. So I think that the macro ABC, the not the macro, the micro Elliott wave is complete for ETH, and I think maybe we will come and put in a lower low at least or test these levels again. Okay, so these will be my first targets, guys. 1548 to 1557. This is the area I would look to average in ETH. You see how I'm building up confluences and different zones which we can target. Okay, this is the way you should do it also. Now moving on to fixed volume profile region, you can see that we have three waves over here that we can target. But the first wave we can target is this. If you don't have the premium account of TradingView, you will not get this. But if you don't have, just mark this level, guys. The first area of interest is coming around 1630. Okay. And if we go to this volume range or this wave pattern, then it is coming around 1550, which is marked in our zone. Okay, we can go a little bit deeper also, guys, but you know, this is not essential. But overall, if you zoom in now and see, you see that ETH has rejected from the POC 1635. It has rejected from the POC. While it is coming down, 1552 level is the POC, and we have a bigger POC at 1627. Okay, so you can see that it did not get any support from either of the POCs on top, and now it is coming down. So I would expect ETH to at least put in a lower low, finish a healthy correction, and then go up. Okay, now how low it will come, I don't know, guys, but these are the area of confluences that we have made together by creating a live technical analysis. But this should be the first area. If this breaks, then don't worry, don't panic. You have a area down which can give support to ETH. But this is how you need to make technical analysis and draw your charts, because without points and marks on your charts, you are completely lost when there is a push up or there is a push down. Okay, guys, I hope this video helped you. So this is the first parallel channel you need to look at. Okay, so keep an eye on this parallel channel over here and see that if price is coming and finding any support here or not. If we get support, we might see a short-term rally to this area again. And then if we come back here, it will be best because we'll take the whole liquidity over here, put in a lower low, give a swing failure trade and go up to targets levels of 1730, I think is the first level of interest that I see on ETH. Yeah, if I zoom out, you can see that the 1730 level, somewhere over here, it becomes quite prominent for ETH over here. Okay, guys. So this is the level you want to target, and this is the short-term trade ideas for ETH. And I hope that this live technical analysis helped you understanding the way how technical analysis is done and how levels are marked on your chart. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the merger, guys. Take care. Bye bye.